Hey, what's going on guys, this is Arsh here and welcome to another video from Overkill Gaming PC. So yeah, I've been off for a long time, but now I'm back here with a bang, and this is a rebate for you guys, a $1000 gaming PC build for the month of January. So we are starting our year with a really nice build, so let's start off with the processor. We are going to use an Intel Core i5-4690K 3.5 GHz quad-core processor, which is a really great processor for its price, and this thing will run you about $219. So next up, to cool the processor, we are going to use the Cooler Master Hyper 212 Plus cooler. Now this thing is really good and it makes my processor work at a really nice temperature. So this thing will cost you about $20. So for the motherboard, we are going to use the Gigabyte GA97X SLI ATX LG1150 motherboard. Now this board has got some really nice quality parts on it, and you are sure not to worry about anything falling off or getting wasted before any time. So yeah, it has got some really nice ports on it, and it also supports SLI, so you are future proof. Now this thing will run you about $116, once again coming at a pretty cheap rate, and Gigabyte makes some solid motherboards. I'm using one for the last 1 year and it has given me a pretty damn awesome job. Next up, for the memory, or you can say the RAM, we are going to use the G.Skill Ripjaws X series 8GB. We are going to use 4GB and 2 of them. So we are going to use the dual channel memory thing, so that will give us increased performance, and this thing will cost you about $64. Next up is an personal preference, and this thing makes your budget go a little bit higher for about $50, but it is a really nice and a must-own thing for this time, and it is a SSD. So if you want to put one in your system, you can go with Kingston SSDNow V300 series 120GB 2.5-inch solid state drive. This thing will run you about $53. So for the hard drive, we are going to use our all-time favorite Western Digital Caviar Blue 1TB 3.5-inch 7200 RPM drive. This is pretty reliable. Next, we have got a really nice beast. We are going to use Asus GeForce GTX 970 4GB STRIX video card. Now this thing will run any game at ultra settings on a single monitor above 60 FPS, or some games at above 100 FPS at ultra settings. Yeah, you heard it right. So this thing will run you about $342. Pretty damn expensive, man. So to power all of this build, we are going to use XFX XTR 750W 80+ gold certified fully modular power supply. That means you can pick all the cables out that are not used and have a clean cable management in your PC. So it comes at a pretty cheap rate, once again at $85. For the next, the case, we are going to use a beautiful with a transparent side panel, the NZXT H440 black or red. It's your choice, and it is a mid-tower case, so it's a nice case for your build and it can hold up much more than this. So all of this sums up to about $1063. Once again, the SSD is optional, but I think it's necessary, so I have added it in our build. But if you want, you can remove it and have a build close to about $1010. So yeah, that wraps up this video guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, be sure to like, comment and subscribe on this video to stay tuned for further more content like this. Peace out.